Hey guys, welcome back to the Profit Channel. In this channel, we talk about stock investing, crypto investing, real estate investing, and whatever else at the time that makes sense. So today, by popular demand, and I've been asked so many times to do a video comparing um, Berkshire Hathaway's um, BRB.B, that's the ticker symbol, and compare that to Vanguard's 500 ETF, which is ticker symbol VOO. So in this video, I'm gonna keep it really basic and to the point. And so if you don't know how to mm, stock pick individual stocks, and you have some money, or say you're picking individual stocks but you have some money that you want to put somewhere that is a lot more secure in the stock market, historically that's shown to be making you money. There are some great places, i.e. the Berkshire Hathaway or the Vanguard 500. And just a disclosure, I am invested in the Vanguard S&P 500. Like, obviously, I'm not like sponsored by any of these guys, but I'm just saying I am invested in one, and I'll explain why I'm not invested in Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway. It's really simple. So now, obviously, what these are, if like again, if you can't pick stocks, individual stocks, and you want your money somewhere safe, this would be it. So what it is that especially the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF, which is VOO, it holds about 500 of the biggest American companies that are, a lot of them are profitable. All of them are profitable. And if one is slacking, it gets kicked off, and then another one that is profitable comes on, right? So um, and what it is that it's a basket. So you're not investing in one stock, you're investing in 500 of the greatest companies in the United States. So, and imagine if you put $10,000 in 2012, your money will just before this whole thing, the crash happened, your money would have been $40,000, that same $10,000. So it's pretty safe because you're not individually picking stocks, and these guys, they think about who to put on there because they have the type of research facilities and staff that you and I don't have, and they have all these softwares that help them as well analyze stocks. So anyways, point is that that is a really safe bet. And why I like the Vanguard S&P 500 over Berkshire Hathaway's BRB.B, the reason why it's so simple, right? So BRB.B is almost this, like, it's almost the same idea. It's also a basket of like a bunch of really great companies. But my problem is that Berkshire Hathaway has 42.79% of their portfolio of that ETF invested in Apple. Now, Apple is a great company, right? Like, I'm not against Apple. I love Apple. Like, their products are amazing, and they're making great money. They're very innovative. They have amazing people working there. So, like, yes, those are all great. But the problem is that any ETF that has 42%, like, so almost half of their ETF in one stock, and that stock doesn't make their own in-house phones. All their stuff comes from China, right? That's a problem because, or even if it didn't come from China, let's just say that an ETF is supposed to spread your money in good companies. And if you're telling me that you're going to take half of that and put it into one stock, what if something happens to that stock, right? Nothing is a guarantee. Anything could happen to Apple. Um, that would have. Do you know why Berkshire Hathaway right now is it's supposed to be one of the most solid ones that's supposed to really do good in bad times like we are right now, but it's not doing well right now. It's been down the past, a while, is because they have half of their stuff in Apple, and Apple's been doing bad. Well, everything is doing bad, but so is Apple. And so if they spread that, that impact would have been a lot minimal as compared to what they're going through right now. So that is my problem. That's a huge problem. They do have like Bank of America, American Express, and a whole bunch of other stuff too. But I like VOO, which is the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF, a lot more, right? And the reason for that is because they have only 6.53% in Apple, and then the rest is in Microsoft, Amazon, Google, Tesla. Funny enough, they Vanguard actually in this ETF owns Berkshire Hathaway, the BRK.B. So even if you buy this, you're in a way playing or have some stocks or a percentage of Berkshire. So that's amazing. And then they have Johnson and Johnson, United Health, Nvidia. They have a whole bunch of like they have the best companies that's out there right now, right? Their fees are very minimal. It's almost it's almost nothing compared to what you would be paying if you went the mutual way fund. So for that reason, I think this is a better option. Right now, I think they're like $339 or something like that. It actually went up. It was quite down a couple of days ago or yesterday or something. It was like 334 or whatever, but it went up a little bit. And this is such a great choice because if you um, say for example if you don't know where to put your money because you think anything that you may pick you may make a mistake on, this is the greatest space to put it. Vanguard S&P 500 ETF. You can't go wrong because you're diversifying your money so much over the one of the best companies in the United States, 500 of them, in total. So yeah, I mean, I don't want to, keep this video too long. So the point is that if the more money that I get that I want to play safe with, like I have my individual stocks, I have crypto and all that, but if there's a percentage of my money that I want to keep safe and diversified properly, I would buy the Vanguard S&P 500 over Berkshire Hathaway any day, because that whole putting half of your money into one stock, like Apple, that's like a huge no in my books, because if I'm gonna diversify, then the whole point of diversification is that you're not exposed to so much risk. But in this case, your half of your money is exposed to Apple. If something happens, China shuts down. China says no, I'm not gonna provide you these anymore. They shut down their factories. Apple is screwed because they don't make this stuff in house, right? So keep that in mind. And with that said, if you guys like the video, please make sure you like and subscribe. It helps the channel. It'll motivate me to make more videos for you guys. And if there's something that you guys want me to talk about, do mention it in the comments below. I'll do that. And let me know if anyone owns any of these guys, or if whatever I just said, do you agree with or not? Let's get the comments rolling. And if you have any questions, I can always answer you there. So yeah, have a great day, and we'll talk to you guys later.